You want to show me your swim now? How about your butterfly swim?
It's a really big one.
Are you going to jump? Let's see. Oh, Misty can swim like that? That's nice. Oh, that's a nice swim, Misty. Jay swimming too, huh? Misty, you can swim backwards too? Ooh, go underwater, huh? Oh, that's good, Misty. Hold your breath underwater right there.
Yeah.
Okay, show me again. Do that again.
Okay.
Okay, go underwater and hold